Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as the title suggests, we'll be doing an unboxing. It's going to be a very quick unboxing, but yeah, so let's get straight into it. So I made this purchase sometime around my birthday, and yeah, I've been thinking about it for like a year now, and I just said, hey, let's just bite the bullet. It's my birthday, why not? So yeah, this is what comes in the box. Oh shit. So we have, I guess it's a gift bag, the bag that you walk out of the store with, but I ordered this online. What else is there? Can you see? I'm assuming one of these are a receipt. Is it? Or is it? No. That's the note I wrote to myself. Every time I make these purchases online, I write a note to myself. And this is the receipt. And this is what we're here for. So let's just throw the rest of this to the side. They have new packaging because it used to be black, but now it isn't. So yeah, that's what we have here. How do you? And this has been sitting by my bed for the longest because I just couldn't be bothered. So many things are going on in this world right now. So you have a little, just a plain black ribbon, nothing fancy like how Hermes gives. And we have Saint Laurent on the front. And we have here. It's so subtle. See, it says Saint Laurent. Right there's a sticker. So cute. We have the dust bag. I don't think anything else comes in here. Nope. So we can set that aside. And then, oh, so pretty. Let's put it this way. If you hear anything, it's Luna. That's right here. Bada boom, bada bang. And here we have our clutch, a little bag. So this is the Saint Laurent Calypso pouch in large. And I think it's called Rouge or something, the burgundy color. It's a large one. So cute. Love it so much. Yeah, it is, I want to believe, calfskin leather. And let's just open it. The zipper is really cool. The zipper has small detail. Can you see? It says Saint Laurent on the front there. And of course it's wrapped in plastic if you couldn't see. And then when you open it, this is what it looks like. So it has, let's just take this out. So it has what, 6 card slots right there, and then it has one slip pocket, not very deep at all, see. And then on the other side it has the logo Saint Laurent Paris, and it has a bigger slip pocket right there as well, and then an open pit. I anticipate this can hold quite a bit. And let's just see, let me wait. Let's see what essentials I can actually prop in here. Give me 1 second. So I literally just came back from brunch, so we'll see what we can hold in here. So I have my wallet. And we could just, this is the Victorine, was it Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet. Just throw her down in there. What else do we got? We got my lip balm from Topicals. Throw that down in there. What else can I have? I have some painkillers because I'm on my period. TMI, if it's too much information, you can just click off. Then we have a small Summer Fridays jet lag mask. super dry skin, you know the deal over here. And we have 2 tampons fit there. It literally can hold a lot more, and technically I don't need to walk with my wallet because it has card slots where I can put my cards. I can slip in cash. It literally is a hole. It holds quite a bit. And you zip it up. If I don't want to put my phone or hold my phone in my hand, I could literally hold my phone in here. My phone is somewhere. I'm not gonna get up again to see where that is. So yeah, love it. It's so soft. Of course, I'll have it linked down below. I bought it directly from the Saint Laurent website, and it took a day to get to me. So yeah, I'm going to stand so we can see. Give it a mud shot and call it a day. 1 second. So shooting from down low because Luna's here bothering me. So this is what it looks like against my frame. I am 5'1". Could hold it there. Hold it. I'm most naturally gonna hold it like this. Hold it so. Okay, I'm on my tippy toes. Hold it like so. Keep on keeping on. And yeah, that's enough of mud shots. There's only so many ways you can wear this. Super cute. Again, it is the YSL or Saint Laurent Calypso pouch in the large size. So yeah. And yeah, that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you like this bag as much as I do. I keep saying the bag is like a clutch, but it holds a lot more than the average clutch. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will pick yourself up something nice as well. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!